Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer inspection reports with Thumbtack for investors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To transfer inspection reports with Thumbtack for investors, start by logging into your Thumbtack account. Once logged in, navigate to the projects section on your dashboard. Here, you will find a list of your active projects. Select the project associated with the inspection report you wish to transfer. Next, click on the project details to open the information page. Look for the Files or Documents section within the project details. In this section, locate the option to upload or attach files. Select the inspection report file you want to transfer from your device. Ensure the file is in an acceptable format, such as PDF or docx. After selecting the file, confirm the upload by clicking the Upload button. Wait for the upload process to complete, which may take a few moments. Once uploaded, the report will appear in the Files or Documents section. Now, navigate to the Share button typically found in the project details. Click on Share to set up how you want to send the report. You may choose to share it directly with your clients or via a link. If sharing with clients, enter their email addresses as prompted. Add a brief message in the provided field, if desired, to explain the document. After reviewing the details, click the Send or Share button. Once the report is shared, inform the recipients so they can access the file. Lastly, check back to confirm they received the report successfully. Remember to monitor any feedback or questions from the investors regarding the inspection report. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.